The battle lines are drawn for the CLT20 semi-final. Kolkata Knight Riders will be up against Hobart Hurricanes. Well, how good are the Hobart Hurricanes? Obviously, an excellent unit they carry, because you look at them, they bat well, they bowl well, and apparently, when you look at the toss percentage, if they bat first or bat second, it doesn't make a big difference for them. But at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, they'll be hoping they win the toss, because Kolkata Knight Riders have a very, very good understanding of the conditions there, and team batting second have successfully chased down targets. Now, let's take a look at how good the batsmen have been. The top five, obviously, Blizzard is their number one batsman. And then you're looking at men like Payne, Dunk, and then along the line, experienced Shoaib Malik and Jonathan Wells. This combination has given them 73% of the runs in the tournament so far. It does say something, doesn't it? Because the last four, you're looking at the bowlers, they're yet to play a single ball in the tournament. It also says the kind of responsibility they carry, because in a semi-final, it's so important that at least three of them come good. And yes, let's take a look at how good they are against the spinners, because it'll be a key moment there, because in a semi-final against the Kolkata Knight Riders, with that quality lineup of the spinners, starting with Nareen, then you have the young Kuldeep Yadav, Piyush Chawla, the experienced leg spinner, and not to forget Yusuf Pathan. At least 15 to 16 overs would be spin. So you're looking at Blizzard and Dunk be their best against the spinners. And then you also have Shoaib Malik. Yes, subcontinental conditions. Malik has a great understanding. He'll play a very important role. Now, moving forward, you have to see how good they are in the end overs. Obviously, you're looking at the same set of men. They want to have Shoaib Malik alongside Blizzard. Blizzard is in top form. Take a look at that strike rate. If these guys exist in the end, you're talking about Kolkata Knight Riders, who are probably one of the best unit. As a bowling unit, they are good because in the middle and the end overs, they have the spinners come in and squeeze things. With Nareen bowling the end overs, you want to have a Blizzard and Shoaib Malik out there. Time to see how good the bowling resources are for Hobart Hurricanes. Can they handle Kolkata Knight Riders in that big semi-final to happen at Hyderabad? Now, certainly they can, with the likes of Hilton House and Bollinger at the start. One of the best, when you look at Hilton House, he's got the maximum wickets in phase one, and Bollinger is not too far behind. Very aggressive combination, these two. Very tough to handle for the top order. So, we also know for a fact, Kolkata Knight Riders are very poor starters. So this is one area where Hobart Hurricanes need to drive home the advantage with Hilton House and Bollinger bowling well at the start. The power play overs will certainly matter for Hobart Hurricanes. But at the depth is where the problem really arises. You can see for a fact that Hilton House has gone for too many runs, although Bollinger has been doing a reasonably good job. But the fact is, for Kolkata Knight Riders, they're one of the best units when you talk about phase three bowling. Nareen and then Yadav, the young Chinaman, has come and done a fabulous job for them. So different methods, different strategies drawn out. It's going to be fabulous to watch that game of cricket for sure. Middle overs, consolidation. Most teams are looking for that. But you also need wickets to make sure the depth is not something that you run away with. Now, literally, this is where the Xavier Doherty and then Lolin have done a fantastic job for Hobart Hurricanes to get through to the semi-final. Now, you're talking about Doherty in particular. He has been a left-arm spinner, the orthodox variety, had a sluggish start to the tournament. But Lolin, on the other hand, has done a fabulous job in the middle overs with his change of pace. Doherty, let's take a look at how good he has been against right-handers and left-handers. Now, there's only one left-hander in the top order for Kolkata Knight Riders. That's Gambhir. He's not in great form. So you might be thinking that Gambhir will be up against Hilton House and Bollinger. They would take care of him. But Doherty, on the other hand, will be up against the likes of Yusuf Pathan, Andre Russell, Ten Descarte. And these men, I'm sure, fabulous hitters of a cricket ball. So Doherty will be saying, I'm good against right-handers. This will be a fantastic competition too. But the biggest, the one that would be a game changer to me, that's going to be the one that you want to look forward to. Blizzard versus Nareen. This will be the game changer in that big semi-final to happen very, very shortly.